Okay, Bill, let's do a before and after from the down the line view, right? So, I mean, there's a lot of good stuff going on. I like your position at the top of the swing. What we're doing as we start down, you know, maybe at the top of the swing, the elbows are a little bit too far apart. You look at someone like Zach, and he's got those elbows just pinching a little closer together, right? So that's the ball work, keeping those elbows together for the structure. And then what we did was, well, you know, if that's his shaft plane line, when he starts down, he gets that club coming down parallel to the shaft plane line, right? But then when you come down, you're a little steep to it. So then we said, right, well, okay, well, let's kind of go back and say, right, club, hands, arms, and we look at the arm position, we look at where the elbows are. I'd say your right elbow and left elbow were kind of level. You look at his right elbow and you look at his left elbow. His right elbow is definitely underneath his left elbow, right? So he's got that little sort of move going on as he starts down to get that right elbow underneath, which shallows the shaft out a little bit, which gets it more on plane, right? We also spoke about how much pressure you were getting underneath your back foot. So as you start taking it away, just too much pressure under the back foot, right? We want the pressure moving to the back foot, and then we want to start moving forward, which you do before you start bringing the club down, right? So you start pushing down under your left foot before the club starts moving down, which is exactly what we want to try and do. But I think there's just too much for an iron, for a mid iron, 6 iron, 7 iron, just too much pressure on your back foot, right? So really try and think about that. Less aggressive for an iron into the back foot, okay. And then it'll be easier to get on your lead foot coming down. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yes.